Y'all, let's go look at some furniture. If you guys remember, we moved our living room furniture to one of our investment properties, and our living room is empty, so we decided we come and look. You guys, there is so much to see in here. I am going to have to add some music because they are playing music in here. It's not real loud, but still I'm gonna have to try to drown out their background music by adding some music so I won't get a copyright strike. But y'all, this is old school. My parents, I grew up and my parents shopped at Havertys Furniture, and the last time we bought furniture from Havertys was probably almost 30 years ago. So the quality of the furniture is absolutely wonderful, and in shopping for furniture, so many of the pieces today, they are so hard, like looking for a sofa, and the cushions are so hard. So I said, no, I need to find Havertys because I want quality and comfort. You guys, look at this beautiful picture back here. For all of you horse lovers, isn't that beautiful? We're supposed to be looking at living room stuff. Why are we looking at theater room stuff?
So the foot is going to be 12.
Yeah, 9.5 feet. Yeah. So, do you think?
Why?
Well, I think that's going to fit right in.
You think it would?
You think
Because what we'll do is
what about
just shut off one side. You just exit it in one side like we did. You come on one end.
Yeah, I mean,
This
if you
is
really
not hard.
wanted to, you could put both of your recliners over and just make, all coming down one side.
This is
Do
not
this recline back
living
right
room
inside?
furniture.
Yeah, hit your top
I got you.
button.
Right here.
He's gotten off task.
Top, there you go.
Look at him.
And there's also a USB port in each end as well.
Silence.
And then, okay, so now go back behind that button.
Is it hard? What are you doing? It's not a real mattress.
No.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm
Jump on this
glad.
thing, you'll sure learn the hard way coming down.
That's what you call ginormous, isn't it big? That is huge.
I mean, you can eat a whole lot and still get it and be happy.
You can, what?
You can eat a whole lot and still don't have to worry about it.
Eat a whole lot, still be happy.
A lot of rump can get down the middle.
Not a lot of rump. That's huge. Wow. I told him since we spent time looking at theater room furniture, we're gonna have to come back because they're getting ready to close in about 30 minutes or so. Huh?
You can get a king for the price of a queen. A queen is a very, very expensive person. So I mean,
Oh, what? So what?
So get a king for the price of a queen. You act like a queen.
Oh,
She gonna cost more than the king in the end.
the queen gonna
anyway,
cost more.
so she gonna cost more than the king, so what's the problem?
They have some beautiful pieces.
And they got a lot of pieces.
A whole
A lot of pieces.
So I'm gonna have to come back.
By myself.
Why by myself?
'Cause I'm not coming back with you. I'm tired of looking around. Unless, if I'm tired of looking, you know I'm tired of.
Now see, he wasn't tired when we were looking at theater room stuff. But then when we got back on task to start looking at what we really came to look for, now he tired. Husband. Tired. Uninterested. That's how they do in there, right, ladies? That's how you do, baby. Trying to get all my stuff up. Oh, girl, don't be showing your business. Huh? Thank you, baby. Yep. That's how they do. Wait a minute. Let me sit y'all a bit for a minute while I get buckled in. Wait a minute, babe. Wait a minute, babe. Gotta get uh-oh. Y'all sliding. Hold on. Hold on. I'm coming.
I gotta go all the way.
You do.
I ain't washed my truck.
Where you guys? We appreciate you all for hanging out with us. Hold up, babe. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Well, we hope you all enjoyed our field trip today to the furniture store. Like I said, I will return at another time so I can really see every nook and cranny.
And there's a lot of nooks and crannies to look at. I'm looking for no more nooks and
Yeah, we had already been out to the church one time today, and he just realized that he left his bag, that he needs to do some more studying tonight, so we have to run back out to the church. So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please consider subscribing. Turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we are doing whatever we're doing over here, doing all the things. What they need to do, babe?
hit the nosy.
Hit the nosy.
That's when you want to know what's going on.
Hit the nosy. Oh. And since we had not planned to do this, I didn't bring my little tripods. I'm trying to hold this with my hand and keep it as steady as possible, and I don't think I'm doing a good job.
I told you guys this morning I didn't think you guys were going to go with us. But I was
right. I forgot to bring my little doohickey. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.
Wrap retraction, please. Thank you. Everybody up. Everybody up. They got to start up their whole thing for us. Oh.
And do.
I'm scared.
You scared?
Hold me.
You silly is what you are.
Some of these horror movies when you come in, somebody be standing there looking at you.
Listen, don't play.
Put it in drive.
I
Let's
know,
go.
right?
Run past door. Come out suds and everything on the side. Let's go.
Okay, you jump out.
Jump out.
No, you gonna drive out.
Four-wheel drive and run over everything in front of me. Okay, give me a second, but you. Wait a minute, let me give you some air. I'm sorry, man. I got you in here in the hot box. I got you in the hot box. I didn't mean that.
What's this smell?
Did you go?
Oh, yeah, I wish you would. Y'all know he crazy.